Hey everybody, for Halloween we're going to turn this suit sprite plushie from Studio Ghibli into a bag. You can clip the arms together and use it as a handle. This is Halloween cute madness. It will have bendy arms and legs, a zipper top, or add a bag strap and carry it like a handbag. For this project, you can use any zipper pouch that have a black zipper on top. It will save you a lot of time. For the arms and legs, you need some pipe cleaners, black rope or string, some scrap fabric in black, and also a pair of quick release buckles. I'm going to show you how to make the arm with this set of materials, because when everything is in black, it's hard to see. We start by threading the rope through the buckle and sewing the ends in place. Then wrap the scrap fabric, which is cut in strips. We will wrap it at a 45-degree angle. Sew a couple stitches. Wind it around the rope and zigzag a few stitches to hold it in place. And then we can add the pipe cleaner. Now wrap the scrap fabric around a couple of times and use the zigzag stitches here. Use the widest length on your machine. Since the pipe cleaner have a wire inside them, this will prevent the sewing needle from hitting the wire and breaking. Now we will rip open little suit's head. We will also discard some of the fluff inside to make room for the zipper bag. I'm going to attach the legs first. So snip a hole and poke the leg through. We will tie a big knot to keep it in place. You can also stitch through the legs to further secure it. To find the position for the other leg, just draw an imaginary line from the eyeball so that they are symmetrical. I've knotted the ends of the arm pieces so that they are about the same length. Add a few more stitches here on the arms because we're going to use it as a handle. The arms are lined up with the eyeballs. Here I sew the webbing's endings together. Flip it so that the seams are on the inside. Then we will sew this on the zipper band. We will add one on each end, and this will be used to attach the bag straps. Now we can chuck the zipper bag inside the suit sprite. When sewing the zipper, make sure that the needle is going through the fabric, not just the fur. And you can sew this, you can go over it twice to make it secure. So this is how to turn a plushie into a bag, and you can adapt it and use it with other plushies that you have. It'll be a fun project and you have something that you can use. Thanks for watching and subscribe. It will help me a lot. See you next time. Bye.